This short video, I will tell you that how you can easily find out if someone deleted their Snapchat account in 2024 with the latest app update of Snapchat. That's quite simple and interesting, but before starting the video, make sure that you watch the video till end and make sure to like the video and hit that subscribe button. So let's get started without wasting a single second. So first of all, open up the Snapchat application. Then you will have to tap on chats. Now once you are on this page, for example, let's say a contact is not responding you and not answering your messages, and you're wondering that he may deleted his account. Now in order to check that, you will have to tap on a contact that is not responding to you. For example, this, I'll tap on their profile and they have no snap score on their profile. Now for example, if I open up another profile, it will show me their snap score. For example, I'll open this and it shows that its snap score is 32,655 right here, snap score. Now if you go back to another profile like this, for example, like I open this profile right here, and if I open it this profile, it doesn't shows me the snap score, and it is most likely that this person has deleted his Snapchat account. So that's how you can easily find out if someone deleted their Snapchat account. If you found the video helpful, make sure to like the video and hit that subscribe button. Thank you.